Welcome to lecture video. I am Dr. P. Manivannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government College of Engineering, Srirangam, Trichy. It is the lecture video 5, two-stage tandem queue, that means a sequential queue model for the CSE Department second year, fourth semester, for the paper MA 8402, Probability and Queuing Theory, Unit number 5, Advanced Queuing Model. In this video, we discuss about the two-stage tandem queue model and a problem. First, two-stage tandem queue or sequential model is, let us consider a two-service stage queuing system in which the customer arrived from the outside of a Poisson rate lambda to S1. A customer arrived to S1 only. That means server 1 is denoted as S1. Then after being served at S1, the customer joined to the queue in front of S2, server 2. Here he will join. After receiving the service at S2, he will leave the system. It is the two-stage tandem queue model. It is assumed that there is infinite waiting, that means queuing space, at each service point. The previous problem, there is only one person will be in the queue. It is the with blocking model. In this two-stage tandem queue model, it is assumed that there are infinite waiting space at each service point. Each server serve one customer at a time. The service time at S1 and S2 follow the exponential distribution with the parameter mu1 for S1 and for S2 the service time is mu2. To find steady state joint probability function Pmn of first letter denotes for server in S1, the number of customers in server 1. The second letter denote the number of customers in the server S2. This is the waiting persons. Okay. First, we shall write down the balance equation using the state transition diagram given below. It is the state diagram for the position m comma n. Here m is the persons in front of server S1. It is the server S2. The waiting members are n. What are the possibilities? How m comma n members will be in the system? If in the previous stage m minus 1 comma n, the m minus 1 will be in S1 server, n customers in S2 server. In this stage, n person arrived to S1, it will be become one customer. Then m minus 1 plus 1, it will be become m comma n. If m plus 1 comma n, if the first service station there are number of customer will be m plus 1, the second one is n minus 1. If a customer served in S1, then the customer will be joined to S2. So m minus 1 plus 1 after being served at S1, it will be becomes m comma n. Here minus 1, here plus 1. And also if a in the system number of customers in S1 is m, in S2 n plus 1. After being served at S2, one customer will be leave the system. So it will be become m comma n. If in this stage m comma n, when one customer arrive to in this stage, it will be become arrival at S1 only. So m plus 1 comma n. If a customer leave from the system S2, that means mu2, it will be become m comma n minus 1. If a customer leave from S1, so here m comma n, it will be become to m minus 1. One customer leave from S1. he will be join in S2. So n plus 1, m minus 1, n plus 1. It is the state transition diagram for the m comma n stage. If is it the stage 0 comma 1, 0 comma 0, if 0 comma 1, the first server, the number of persons is 0. In S2, number of persons is 1. One customer served at mu2 means at S2. Then he will leave the system. So 0 comma 1 becomes 0 comma 0. At the stage 0 comma 0, one customer enter the system, it will become 1 comma 0. Similarly, for the state m comma 0, what are the possibilities? If already m minus 1 persons in the system S1 and S2, the number of persons is 0. If a customer enter the system at S1, it will become m comma 0. If m comma 1, S1 m, S2 is 1. One customer leave from S2 since he got the service at S2. So 1 minus 1 is 0. It will become m comma 0. At this stage, a new customer enter in the system at the server S1, it will become m plus 1 comma 0. If a customer served at the system S1, it will become m minus 1. The one customer entered to the system S2. So here S1 is m minus 1 and S2 is 1. It is S1, it is S2. Similarly, for n comma 0, we get this stage. Now, state 0, 0 comma 0. Here the equation, balance equation, outgoing equal to incoming. Here 0 comma 0 state, this state 0 comma 0. What are the outgoing? What are the outgoing? Only one outgoing. So lambda into outgoing means from where? From where? So lambda into 0 comma 0. Lambda into p of 0 comma 0. One incoming from where? Mu2 into p of 0 comma 1. It is the balance equation. Then for m comma 0, here m comma 0, what are the outgoing? This one and this one. From where? P of m comma 0. It is the p of m comma 0. P of m comma 0, mu1 plus lambda plus mu1 into p of m comma 0. What are the incoming? Lambda into p m minus 1 comma 0 plus mu2 into p m comma 1. Mu2 into p m comma 1. Similarly, at the state 0 comma n, what are the outgoing? Lambda and mu2. Lambda plus mu2 into p of 0 comma n. Lambda plus mu2 into p of 0 comma n equal to what are the incoming? Mu1 into p1 comma n minus 1. Mu1 into p1 comma n minus 1. Here it is n minus 1. And mu2 into p of 0 comma n plus 1. Mu2 into p of 0 comma n plus 1. Similarly, for m comma n, both m and n are greater than 0. What are the outgoing? Lambda, mu1, mu2 from pm comma n. Lambda plus mu1 plus mu2 into pm comma n equal to what are the incoming? Mu2 into pm comma n plus 1. Mu1 into pm plus 1 comma n minus 1 plus lambda into m minus 1 comma n. M minus 1 comma n. the total probability will be 1. So summation n pm comma n equal to 1. Here the situation at server S1 is just as in the MM1 model. That is, the departure process of an MM1 queue is a Poisson process with the arrival rate lambda. Similarly, for the server S2, it is also MM1 queue model. Therefore, P of probability of M customers at the server 1 is lambda by mu1 whole power m into here m whole power m into 1 minus lambda by mu1. If for the probability n customers at the server 2 is lambda by mu2 whole power n for n customers whole power n into 1 minus lambda by mu2. Therefore, the joint probability of m customers at S1 and n customers at S2 is given by multiplication of these two values. P of m comma n, these two are independent. So, probability of m comma n equal to, this is the probability of m comma n. M customers at the server 1, n customers at server 2 is equal to product of these two values. Lambda by mu1 whole power m into 1 minus lambda by mu1 into lambda by mu2 whole power n into 1 minus lambda by mu2. Therefore, the average number of customers in the system is LS equal to number of customers in the system S1 and number of customers in the system S2. It will be the total system. Average number of customers in the system is equal to lambda by mu1 minus lambda plus lambda by mu2 minus lambda. It is for LS1, it is for LS2. Then the average waiting time of a customer in the system is given by WS equal to LS by lambda. From this value divided by lambda, we get 1 divided by mu1 minus lambda plus 1 divided by mu2 minus lambda. It is the average waiting time of the system S1 and the average waiting time of the system S2. Here we use the bottleneck of a network. What is the meaning of bottleneck of the network? As a arrival rate lambda in the two-stage tandem queue model increases, the arrival rate increases, the node with the larger value of rho I, it is the lambda by mu I, will be introduced instability. Hence, the node with larger value, the larger value of rho I is called bottleneck of the system. The node is called bottleneck of the system, which is a large value of rho I is called bottleneck of the network. Burki's theorem for an MMS queuing system, the output, that means departure process, is also Poisson with the same rate of lambda as the input arrival process in the steady state. Both are equal, then it is called Burki's theorem. It is the problem for the two-stage tandem queuing model. A repair facility shared by a large number of machines has two sequential stations with a respective service rate or 2 per hour, 3 per hour. It is the service rate. So mu1 and mu2. The cumulative failure rate of the all machines is 1 per hour. It is the input rate. That means lambda. Assume that the system behavior may be approximately by the two-stage tandem queue. Find the average repair time including the waiting time. The probability that both the service station are ideal, that means free. The bottleneck of the repair facility, or otherwise, similarly, the question can be rewritten as a TVS company in Trichy containing a repair facility shared by a large number of machines has two sequential stations with respect to the service rates are 2 per hour, 3 per hour. The cumulative failure rate of the all machines is 1 per hour. Assuming that the system behavior may be approximately by the two-stage tandem queue. Find the average repair time including the waiting time. The probability that both the service stations are ideal, the bottleneck of the repair facility. Solution given. The failure is lambda equal to 1. The failure is the arrival rate of the service station. So lambda equal to 1 per hour. Given mu1 for the first service station is 2 per hour. The second service station is 3 per hour. So mu1 equal to 2 per hour, mu2 equal to 3 per hour. The situation in this problem is comparable with two-stage tandem queue with a single server at each stage. Find first one. The average repair time including the waiting time is equal to LS equal to including waiting time. That means waiting time in the system. LS equal to lambda by mu1 minus lambda plus lambda by mu2 minus lambda equal to lambda equal to 1, mu2 lambda equal to 1, mu2 equal to 3, mu1 equal to 2, mu1 equal to 2, lambda equal to 1, mu2 equal to 3. So 1 divided by 2 minus 1 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. It is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, the average repair time including waiting time. This is the number. Here we want the time. Therefore, the average repairing time including the waiting time is WS equal to 1 by lambda into LS. 1 by lambda, lambda is 1, LS is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 hour. The waiting time is 3 by 2 hour. That means 1.5 hour. 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. The next one, find the probability that both the service stations are ideal. Ideal means free. When it is free, it is 0, 0. There is no customers in the queue for both systems. It is the B0, 0. It is equal to lambda by, we know that P of m comma n equal to lambda by mu1 whole power m into 1 minus lambda by mu1 into for the n lambda by mu2 whole power n into 1 minus lambda by mu2. Okay, so put m comma n equal to 0. We know that a power 0 equal to 1. So this value become 1. This value become 1. Lambda equal to given lambda equal to 1. Mu 1 equal to 2. Mu 2 equal to 3. So 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3. It is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3. 2 to cancel it is equal to 1 by 3. This the probability is 1 by 3. The third part of the question, to find which node is bottleneck of the repair facility. We want to find out row 1 for the first service station, row 2 for the second service station, which is greatest value is known as the bottleneck of the repair facility. Row 1 equal to lambda by mu1 equal to here lambda equal to 1, mu1 equal to 2, mu2 equal to 3. It is 1 by 2, 1 by 3. 1 by 2 is 0.5, 1 by 3 is 0.333. Therefore, 0.5 is large value. Therefore, row 1 is greater than row 2. Therefore, the service station 1 is the bottleneck